Heavy rains and flooding along Araneta Avenue Tuesday night. Despite this, the faithful still flock to the Santo Domingo Church on the first day of Simbang Gabi. Filipino Catholics wait patiently as early as 3 a.m. to show their undying devotion to the Blessed Virgin Mary.
Unang simbang gabi ngayon, kaya kailangan natin mauna sa simbahan. Hindi natin pwede palampasin ba?
Okay. Pero kahit umulan?
Oo, umulan bumagyo. Sana ma-perfect ko.
They take part in a tradition spanning centuries, believing this brings them closer to God and makes their wishes and prayers come true.
Ano niya talaga, kaugalian ng nanay ko. Ano na nga sila nauna na.
Some are doing it for the first time, such as the Denoya cousins. Ira's wish is simple, that her mother, a factory worker in Japan, comes home on Christmas Day.
Para po yung mga wish ko po matupad po, para po sa mga family ko.
Ano bang wish niyo ngayon?
Sana po kompleto po kami.
68-year-old Linda has been completing the 9 days of Simbang Gabi for 50 straight years. Aside from wishing for good health, she is still fervently praying the seemingly impossible becomes reality.
World peace. Ang magiging Pangulo natin ay talagang deserving talaga na mag-serve siya sa country ng walang corruption.
The Roman Catholic Church says this year's Simbang Gabi serves as a spiritual preparation of families as the International Eucharistic Congress gets underway in Cebu. While personal prayers are welcome during the evening Mass, church leaders say the faithful should not forget to thank God for all His blessings. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.